Good day. Following is the quick snapshot of the biggest stories shaping India on 4th October 2025. Cyclone Shakti intensifies over the Arabian Sea. Cyclone Shakti has formed over the Arabian Sea, moving toward the Gujarat coast. The IMD has issued red alerts for coastal districts as evacuation plans are activated and ports remain on standby. RBI rolls out same-day check clearing from today. The Reserve Bank of India begins real-time check clearance, ending the 1 to 2 day waiting period for bank settlements. The system will expand nationwide by January 2026. India's first cheetah safari opens at Kuno National Park. Visitors can now spot cheetahs in their natural habitat as India inaugurates its first cheetah safari in Madhya Pradesh. The move aims to boost wildlife tourism and conservation awareness. Centre drafts strict online gaming law. The government has released draft rules under the new PROG Act, proposing strict penalties for real money gaming. Violations could attract non-bailable offences under the revised framework. PM launches youth-centric schemes worth 62,000 crore rupees including PM Setu. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled multiple initiatives focused on skill development and education, including PM Setu to modernize 1,000 ITIs and new vocational labs across states. Tata Capital raises over 46,000 crore rupees from anchor investors. Tata Capital's mega IPO gets a strong boost as institutional investors, including LIC, subscribe to anchor shares. The public issue opens on 6th October. Vodafone Idea names new CFO Tejas Mehta. Telecom firm Vodafone Idea has named Tejas Mehta as its new chief financial officer. The move comes as the company works to manage debt and improve cash flow. Taliban foreign minister may visit India. The UN Security Council has eased travel restrictions on Taliban Minister Amir Khan Muttaqi. His proposed visit next week could mark the first formal engagement with India since 2021. Dominant India in control at Ahmedabad Test. India declared at 448 for 5 and reduced West Indies to 66 for 5 by stumps on day 3. Ravindra Jadeja's unbeaten century powered the hosts to a commanding position. Twin goals for Nishad Kumar and Simran. India's medal tally soared as Nishad Kumar and Simran clinched gold medals in their events. The strong performance lifted India to 4th place overall in the championships. That's all for today. Thank you. For daily headlines, tune into our channel.